Good research is essential to good academic writing, and good research begins with knowing where and how to look for solid and relevant resources. We consider in this media lesson how to select databases that will be most helpful for your research, and then we discuss how to narrow the search terms that you're using to find what you need. The first decision to make is related to the kind of research that you're doing. If you're working toward a literature review, as you will be in our course, you'll often want to begin by searching for relevant scholarly articles, since these will, first of all, provide a window into the most recent research available, and secondly, they're just simply shorter, easier to work your way through, and they often represent within them the content of relevant books and will list some of these in their bibliographies. This raises the issue of using bibliographies well, both from articles and books, to help you locate further research on your topic. These are great places to help your work and to move it along more quickly. As you turn to access the Bethel Library website, it will be important to choose well from the databases for the particular research you're doing. For literature review in the social sciences directed toward ministry leadership, the following databases will likely be helpful to you: Business Search Premier, Christian Periodical Index, Family and Social Studies Worldwide, Psych Articles, ATL Religion Database, and then I sometimes add ebook collection just to see the books that are available to me online through the Bethel Library. Then you'll want to think carefully about your search terms. If you're working, for example, on the topic of team leadership in the church, you'll want to begin with a bit broader lens and use search terms like team leadership, shared leadership, or the like, before adding in church or Christian or ministry to further limit your search, once you have a good sense of what the research on team leadership more broadly looks like. In the next two segments, I'm going to walk through searches for example topics. The first one related to a lit review on the topic of Christian leadership and differentiation of self. The second will be on the biblical studies topic of Philippians as a letter of friendship. My goal is that this exploratory media lesson in its various parts will get you started in your work toward relevant and successful research.